Let me show you something interesting. Right now, YouTube thumbnails are entering a completely new phase. And once you see this, you'll understand why so many creators are excited about it. Take a look at these thumbnails. Clean, bold, instantly eye-catching. They look intentional, they look professional, and they make you want to click. That's not an accident. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI thumbnail generator that's changing how creators approach thumbnails. No complicated explanations, no design theory. Just a tool that helps turn ideas into high-impact thumbnails, quickly and consistently. Stay till the end, because I'll build a thumbnail from scratch with this AI and reveal the final result at the end, so you can judge for yourself what it's capable of. Great thumbnails have one job: communicate instantly. The best creators understand this. Now, that same level of clarity and execution is becoming more accessible than ever. This AI doesn't guess. It focuses on what actually works visually: contrast, clarity, and attention. And that's where things start to get interesting. So instead of talking about it, let me show you exactly how it works. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll get 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a Mr. Beast thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here, you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and Supabix gives you your recreated Mr. Beast style thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. I want to replace Mr. Beast with Messi. To do that, I upload the thumbnail, select Mr. Beast's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Messi's face. Click Generate, and you instantly get your thumbnail with Messi in it. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. I want to create a thumbnail of a robot holding the globe of Earth. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix your prompt, pick the aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Then click Generate and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to Edits. I want to replace the Earth globe with the globe of Mars. All I have to do is upload the thumbnail, describe the change, and Supabix replaces the Earth globe with Mars perfectly. Finally, let's go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference image. Tell the tool how you want them merged, and Supabix blends them seamlessly and accurately. What you just saw isn't about replacing creativity, it's about enhancing it. Ideas move faster, design becomes smoother, and creators can focus more on content, while still getting thumbnails that stand out. This is one of those tools that quietly changes how things are done. And once you use it, you'll understand why thumbnails on YouTube are evolving so fast.